If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell that's going to notify you whenever I put any videos up. I do have videos that are cooking and having fun and shopping and things about the rare diseases that I have. So I just thought I'd get out. I haven't been out all day and it's just a crappy day, so what better place than to go to the stores and go shopping, right? I'm still not used to vlogging in public. Let's see how many dirty looks I get and how many stares and people shaking their heads and talking about me. But anyway, I am here at AC Moore and I think that everything is on sale. I think I missed an aisle. Oh my goodness. Can't miss aisles, right? Gotta make them all. I actually got a shadow box to do memorabilia. I don't know what's called, memorabilia. Anyway, I got a shadow box to put some of my stepfather's things in. He's the one that passed away in December. So I'm going to do a shadow box of his things and photos and stuff, and that'll be kind of nice to put on the wall. So yeah, and now I am going to Five Below. Okay, so Five Below was a bum. They did not have a phone case for my phone, so now we're gonna go try some other places. And here we go.
A few moments later.
I have not eaten a thing today. Not one single thing. I have the worst eating habits in the entire world. I don't know how to change it. It's been that way most of my life. There are days that I don't eat anything at all. And then there's days when I eat everything in sight. But I could go days without eating. I'm not anorexic. I don't have an eating disorder in that way. Although I may have an eating disorder in the shape of I don't eat properly. Maybe. I don't know. I never thought about that. I wonder if there are eating disorders where you just don't eat properly and you can go days without eating. I mean, I know I'm not anorexic. I'm 5'3", I weigh 117 pounds. which is, you know, pretty good for my frame, I think. If you have any suggestions, I'm open to them. Leave a comment and let me know what I can do to make my eating habits better. Any ideas? So yeah, I'm on my way home and I just realized that I haven't eaten a thing and it is 7:29 p.m.
20 minutes later.
So this is what I got at AC Moore. I got a shadow box. It's got a magnetic door on it. 11 by 14. And I love the color of it. And I am going to do a shadow box of my stepfather's things that just passed away in December. And then I got some pins to go ahead and put like the pictures on there and stuff like that.